All right, another new item we have from the company Save the Girls. It's called the Clip and Go. So it's an easy way to clip your phone and be on the go. So an easy way to carry it around. Liz and I love things like this when we travel, especially. So let's show you how it works.
When it comes, we have a few styles we'll show you at the end, the different varieties, but this little card is placed over, gives you some instructions. You're actually not going to clip that off, but kind of clip around it, because this is the magic. This piece here, what you do is you're just going to give it it is like a fabric, but you're going to give it a nice tight roll. And all you do is you take any phone, any brand, any size, take your case, and you're going to slip that through the bottom portion, that fabric piece. You're going to lay flat, and then you're going to put your phone back in your case. My case is very nice and rigid because I have small children. And so then there you go. It's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to budge. It is held, and in the nice ease of that. So you can adjust your crossbody however you may enjoy to wear that. The other fun feature is actually can become a little wristlet. So normally there's going to be a pouch attached too, so you can carry some cards.
Like that.
But then this part here, you can unclip, slide this piece over a little bit, and there's a hidden carabiner. So you slide that fabric part out. I mean, they really thought of everything. And then there is your wristlet portion. So you undo the other clips, clip this portion on, and there you go. So you can have your phone now in the wristlet form on the go. And again, it's not going anywhere. It's amazing technology, wonderful, sturdy fabric. And again, any phone case, any size, any brand of phone, and it's gonna work.